Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are quickly becoming a global trend. Countries like China, the United States, and members of the European Union are actively testing or rolling out government-backed digital currencies. On the surface, CBDCs may seem like a natural evolution of money in the digital age. But when you look deeper, a serious debate emerges. CBDCs give governments more control over money. They can track spending, freeze accounts instantly, and even set expiration dates on currency. For privacy advocates and crypto purists, that's a nightmare. That's where decentralized coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum still hold the line. These cryptocurrencies operate outside government control and offer transparency, censorship, resistance, and personal financial freedom. So, the big question is this: will CBDCs coexist with decentralized cryptocurrencies, or are we headed toward a major financial showdown? As we move into 2026, your choice between centralized digital cash and decentralized financial freedom could shape your future more than you think.